guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be doing this look. I recently did a poll on Instagram where I asked you guys what kind of looks you wanted to see. There were 4 options and these are the results. Boom, 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 boom. I'm not even surprised, but a warm glam look won, right? So this is what I came up with today. It's kind of dark, it's smoky, you know what I mean? She's sexy. The best part of this video is that I used all drugstore products. Give or take a few, but they weren't like expensive. They're at drugstore prices, but you won't find them in the drugstore, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's all drugstore, all very cheap makeup, you know, we love our cheap. Who don't love the cheap? I love my cheap. You know what I mean? These are affordable and good products. Like everything that I put on my face, I love. And I tried a new foundation too. And I did like a little mini wear test. So there's a lot going on in this video. Yeah, there's a lot going on in this video. But I'm very happy with the way it turned out. I hope you guys are too. This is the look that I managed to come up with. I hope you guys like it. Without further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my eyes. If you guys are looking for a very good affordable palette, this is the one. So this is the Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette by Makeup Revolution. I just wanted to stress on the fact that this palette is £4. £4. Okay, I'm done now. Just look at the shades in this. You've got your oranges, you've got like your corals, there's loads of shimmers in here, dark browns, a white, it's got some soft pinks, and the formula in this is amazing as well. The mattes are very creamy, so are the shimmers. It's a very beautiful palette. Oh, my sponge, I always forget to wear my sponge. This is a very quick look. There's probably like 2 or 3 shades involved, but it involves a lot of blending. I'm gonna start off with my transition shade. I'm gonna use this shade. With this palette, you kind of have to work with it a bit. It's not very pigmented like right off the bat. It blends out so nicely, you guys can see. So my advice when doing eyeshadows is always pack it on first. Always pack it on. That's what I do now. I always pack it on and then I blend it out. Now I'm gonna take this shade. Actually, I'm gonna take a mixture of these 2 shades. I'm gonna put them just lower here, like right there. So now we're kind of transitioning down. Now I'm gonna take this darker brown with this brush and I'm gonna start packing it on that empty space there. So now I'm just gonna start taking it up a bit. The only thing that this palette is missing is a black to kind of deepen it up a little bit here. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe palette. This isn't exactly drugstore, but I'd say it's affordable. I don't know, because you get 35 shades and you pay like £22. That's less than £1 for each shade. It's up to you. So I'm using the Morphe 35W and I'm just gonna take this black here. This is basically the look. I'm done. I know it doesn't look that, you know, enticing right now, but when I clean it up, when we put lashes on, it will look alright. I'm gonna do my other eye off camera and then I'm gonna come back to clean up, to show you guys like how I'm gonna clean it up and the lashes, and then we're gonna do the face. Okay, great. So my trick is when I do this, instead of kind of just using concealer to cover up all that black bit, I don't like doing that because it's gonna be underneath, and I know that it's gonna be underneath. Then I take some tissue and I kind of wipe away. So this is what I do, just because it makes it look much cleaner. And then when I do my foundation and concealer, I kind of redefine that. And put the mascara on. So this is the final look. I'm gonna zoom you guys out and we're gonna do the rest of my face. My face has been hella dry. It has been so dry recently because of the cold weather outside. So I need to kind of prep before my foundation. I'm gonna start off with the Glow Girl. Start off with the Glow Girl cosmetic. I'm gonna start off with the Glow Girl I'm gonna start off with the Glow Girl Cosmetics Glow Booster Drops. Damn it. So this is a serum, and it includes vitamins. Did you say vitamin? It has vitamin C and E and hyaluronic. Oh my goodness. Hyaluronic acid. Okay, and there's 30 mils in this. I love this. I love. Okay. Alright. I could hear my mom saying relax, relax. You know, relax. Oh wait, how much is that Glow Booster Drop thingy? I don't know. I don't think that's drugstore. Take it off, take it off. Act like I didn't put that on. I'm also going to use this Rimmel London Fix and Perfect Makeup Primer. It's okay. It's okay. It does literally what it is. It's just a base. As much as I love wearing makeup, I don't want it to, like, you know, ruin my skin. I don't have to explain it, but I always make sure that there's a barrier between my skin and like the foundation. So I always prime and moisturize, and I'll even put oils on just so that the foundation doesn't have like direct contact with my skin. I don't know if it keeps my makeup on all day or anything like that. I don't know if I realized that with any primer, to be honest, but I do know what foundation I see that with. And I'm going to tell you which foundation. My absolute favorite drugstore foundation is the Milani Conceal and Perfect. This is my favorite foundation ever. It's very creamy, but it's not oily, or it doesn't slip around. It has literally the perfect amount of coverage. It's not too like but it's not light either. It's great. If I wasn't using the foundation I'm about to show you, I would definitely use that, but I want to try a new foundation. I'm excited. This is the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Foundation Stick in F11. This is the new foundation stick. Well, it's not new, but it's new to me. I don't know about this shade, but let's just go with it. Actually, let me stop because I don't know what the coverage is like. I'm kind of nervous to blend this shade in. On camera it looks fine, but in person it looks a bit pink. I feel like this foundation is meant to be matte, but because of all the products that I use underneath, it looks dewy. But it looks nice. It actually has very nice coverage. No, my barrier's about to die. Okay, now I'm going to go over it with my sponge. Just to kind of press it in and pick up any excess product. I always look here, like at my viewfinder. I need to look at here. This is where I need to look. It's very hard for me to do that. I need to get into the habit of looking here. Hey guys, I actually really like this foundation. When I was first putting it on, I didn't really like how it was going on. It felt, I don't know. But now that I've blended it in and I've kind of like pushed it into my skin, I really like the way it looks. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. In the shade C11. So the foundation was F11, this is C11, which is quite dark actually, but I ran out of my lighter one. So I'm going to use this to just kind of cancel out my dark circles and give me extra coverage anywhere that I need it. So around my mouth, right in here. Okay, so this is where I clear up like these bits here. So with the very tip of my concealer, I'm just gonna kind of like tap over it. I don't want to rub it off, I just want to lighten it up. This is my Avon cream concealer in medium. So this is the concealer I'm going to be using to highlight. I'm going to put that there. And I'm not going to use a lot of this, I just want it to brighten because I've already used the other concealer underneath. With this lighter concealer, I'm going to redefine this line here. And now we blend that in. So now I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toast. A drugstore powder, well, loose powder that I really like for setting the concealer is the Makeup Revolution Banana Powder. But I feel like, I don't know if it's just me, but it kind of gives me flashback. So I poured some of the SHIMMER Buttercup powder in there, and I'm gonna mix the two and use that to set my concealer. And if you're wondering why do I use two different sponges, one for powder and one for creams, just because I realized that if I use the same sponge for both, it kind of starts to build up here and my sponge becomes hard. So, oh, a drugstore sponge is this. This is my favorite drugstore sponge. This is from Real Techniques. This is the Real Techniques face sponge. It's so soft. I've literally been using it forever. I love it. This is the shit. If you're wondering why this suddenly turned into ASMR, it's actually like 4 hours since I last recorded. I kind of lost track of time. Had to go do some stuff. But I realized this is good because I can give you guys like a little wear test, you know, of the foundation. So after 4 hours, I'd say it held up pretty well. I'm just like creasing a little bit here. Smile lines I always do anyway. This madness, which is normal because my glasses. And I have been like touching my face. I even ate. So, and it still looks really good. I need you guys to recommend me a good eyebrow gel that will actually keep my eyebrows up, because my eyebrows always flop down. No matter what I use, they always flop down. Now that everything's like back on, blah blah blah, I'm gonna finish off my lower lash line, and I'm gonna go back in with this brown here. You guys will actually not be disappointed with the formula of this palette. Like, it is so nice. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I'm gonna go back in with that bright orange, just to kind of tie the top of the bottom. For blush, I'm going in with this, my Sigma Aura powder. This is like my favorite blush, and this is not drugstore, but it's very affordable. I think you can get it for under like £10. If I didn't have this, I would have just gone in with the orange and pinky shades from this palette to like mix them up and use that as a blush. So you can do that. Cheese! For highlight, I got you. I'm gonna use this. This is loved. This is my MUA Undress Your Skin Shimmer Highlighter in Golden Scintillation. It's a very gold highlight, but I'm sure it will look fine on like lighter skin. Pat it off because a lot does come off. Wow. I've kind of loved doing this. I'm putting highlight right there. Can you believe this highlighter is only £3? One more! I'm just gonna push this into my skin a bit. For lips, I am using something from here. This is the Makeup Revolution Retro Luxe Lip Vault. So it has a lot of lip kits in here. I'm pretty sure these are sold separately. They are. Let me just show you what this thing looks like. But I just want a gloss from here. What's this like? It's too light. But this is called Majesty. Yeah, that was like purple. And these kits, they all come with its own lip liner. I love red. This is called Regal. Ooh. How's that? You know, I don't think that's the one. I would love to, but I don't. This looks good. Okay, so this is the Revolution Retro Gloss Kit in the shade Original. I'm gonna swatch everything for you guys. That's the I don't know how to do this. That's the shade of the lip liner. It seems creamy. This is what the gloss is like. Wow. Oh my god. This is so creamy. So I just put that everywhere. On my days, I love this. I don't know if I should put gloss on top. I'm just gonna put the gloss over it. See what it looks like. If I don't like it, I'm gonna take it off, put the lip liner back on. Nope. Nope. I really don't want gloss on there. The formula of this is really nice. It's creamy. It's not sticky at all. It is not sticky. This is the final look, you guys. I really love the way it turned out. I hope you do too. And of course, you don't have to make it as smoky as this. But that palette is... Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you want to see more videos like this, where I use like more affordable drugstore products or I don't know, whatever it is, just let me know in the comments and I will film that for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Other than that, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.